everyone. Today I am presenting our project design and implementation of a web application vulnerability scanner using Java. This project is developed to detect common security issues in web application in a simple and automated way. This is a team project and each member contributed to different parts like backend, cybersecurity, GUI and frontend. Introduction. First, what is a web vulnerability scanner? It is a tool that checks a website for security weakness. For example, it can detect attacks like SQL injection and cross-site scripting. The main idea is simple. We send requests to a website, analyze the response, and check if something looks unsafe. The main challenge is that modern websites are complex and many vulnerabilities are hidden. So these issues usually happen due to poor input validations. So vulnerability scanning helps developers to find problems early and improve security before deployment. Problem statement. There are four main problems we identified. First, web security risks are increasing. Second, common attacks like SQL injection and XSS are still very common. Third, existing tools are complex and expensive. Fourth, students don't have simple tools to learn security practically. So our goal is to build a simple and educational scanner. The current approach. Our current approach is to existing tools like OS, JAP, and OneSite are powerful, but they are not beginner friendly. Most tools works by sending test inputs, analyzing responses, and detecting abnormal behavior. The problem is they require expertise and sometimes gives false results. So we designed a lightweighted Java-based tool that is easier to use. Future approach. Our system is divided into three phases. Phase 1, basic scanner input payload testing response analysis. Phase 2, advanced feature crawling and automation. Phase 3, dashboard and reporting. Right now we have implemented the core scanning functionality. Now I will demonstrate the project. This is the project structure, GUI, this is user interface, scanner, sc- scanning logic, this is main class. So the project is divided into UI and scanning engine. Main file, this is a main file. It started the application and launches the GUI using swing. So the connects the backend logic with the user interface. GUI file. This is scanning file. This file handles the user interface. User enter the target URL here and click start scan to begin analysis. Here is scanner logic. This is the core of the project. The process works like this. Takes URL input, crawl pages, send test payloads, analyze responses, display results. We specifically check for SQL injection and XSS patterns. Now I will run this project. This is the application interface. Users enters target URL here like this github.com. Start scan button to begin this URL. This is analyzing the URL. So this is the vulnerability report of this URL. Page 1 is crawling its hind pages, and second page is its checks URL. For each page, it shows SQL injection status and XSS status. If vulnerable, it will show detection. If safe, it show clean. So final conclusion is this project is provide a simple and practical way to understand web security. It helps beginners to learn how vulnerabilities are detected. Thank you.